That's okay. Yes, we're looking into partnering with Diesel Doll Industries to produce some merchandise. To start, maybe some shirts and a few hats. After all, we wouldn't want to miss a chance to work with our beautiful niece, Amber, in one of her business ventures, and yes, the intro is nightscapes of her property in Apache Junction, Arizona. We're leaving Mesa, Arizona in the morning to try a couple of weeks at Verde Valley RV Resort and Campground in beautiful Cottonwood, Arizona. Time to hook up beauty. Gotta love this fort, sure makes it easy. Locking everything in place and a double check by Shelly. The drive was a quick 2 hours, but the route does take us up I-17 directly through the same area we were when we blew the down tube off the turbo on our Chevy, one of our earlier episodes while on our way to Fool Hollow in northern Arizona. We'll leave a link to that episode up here. Check it out. It's good for a laugh and a learning experience. Shelly was not a happy camper that day. Yes, 6% grades, brake check pullouts, beautiful southwest mountain scenery, emergency pullouts for runaway trucks, and cool high desert views. Beast, our tow vehicle, performed flawlessly. No wandering or issues pulling or slowing down on these grades, and most of all, no death wobble. We are somewhat apprehensive, but still pretty happy. With a winery next door to the park, the Alcantara Winery, and kayaking on the Verde River, this makes for a really nice destination and is pretty central to many of Arizona's great attractions, not to mention the cooler weather.
In a quarter mile, use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Arizona 260 West, Finney Flat Road. Signs for
So, what do you think about roundabouts? Some call them traffic circles. Well, you definitely get a chance to check out your skills handling to this Thousand Trails Park. Let's count them, shall we? We chose Section H, which is not all the way down by the Verde River, but affords us connectivity on both our AT&T and Verizon services. See you all next week. Please travel safe.